What's up, everybody? In this video, we're going to be looking at Jasmy price update. We're going to be looking at the RXI, which has been trading in this falling wedge for quite some time now. We're going to be looking at the BTC price update on the daily time frame, Jasmy price update on the daily time frame as well. We are going to be talking about Jasmy on the weekly time frame. Nothing really has changed on the weekly time frame. BTC dominance, and as of course, we're going to be talking about the Jasmy liquidation heat map. As you can see, the liquidation heat map is having more concentration of orders above than below. That is to say, we are likely to move up to the upside, down to the downside for the price of Jasmy. So we're going to be looking at a lot. As you can see on your chart, Jasmycoin price is currently traded at around 0.01795. We are down minus 1.0% in the last 24 hours. Market cap is currently at $885 million. So the overall cryptocurrency market is down. The volume is down minus 17%. That is almost minus 18%. While the overall cryptocurrency market cap combined is down minus 2%. So it's not like it's just Jasmy that is dipping. So Jasmy trading volume is down minus 23.28% in the last 24 hours. We are currently trading at around $37.9 million. We are ranked 150th position out of over 9,000 active cryptocurrencies listed on CoinMarketCap by volume. So let's just go back to the chart real quick now. We talked about this RSI times without number. If you paid attention to one of my videos, I specifically gave you guys this pattern, and I told you this pattern is likely to be how Jasmy price will play out, because since we've already struck a resistance here, which this upper bound right here, this upper trend line of the falling wedge is acting as resistance. Since we struck it, and if we're not able to break past it and flip it into a support, then we should expect the momentum, the RSI, to retrace back to this zone and then peak from that level. The moment we are breaking above this trend line, then expect the RXI momentum to flip it into a support and then get a moonshot to the upside. Now let's look at the Jasmy price on the daily time frame as well. If you pay attention to the last video I made, I told you guys this zone is likely to be a pullback zone for the price of Jasmycoin. That is, if Jasmy is not able to reclaim this yellow trend line right here, if he's not able to flip the trend line into a support before we can start talking about 0.024, if he's not able to flip it into a clean support with at least two bullish daily candles above it, then we should expect the price to retrace back to this zone. What happened? That was what happened. If you can go and watch the previous video how to bring yourself up to speed, we retraced all the way to the 17%, sorry, we retraced all the way to the 0.017 zone, and then got a little bit of bounce to the upside to back to around 0.018 zone. So this 0.017 zone is still a very valid zone for the price of Jasmycoin. As long as Jasmycoin is not losing this price level right here, I don't see the price of Jasmy dropping all the way to 0.01227. But the moment we are losing this zone 0.017 zone, then we are likely to begin our journey further to around 0.01554, and if we lose that zone immediately, it's going to, I think 154 is not a significant zone. So let's just pray we don't lose the zone between 0.017. You understand? That zone is very important for the price of Jasmy. Let's just look at Jasmy on the daily time frame real quick. Sorry, on the weekly time frame. Now on the weekly time frame, we are still looking okay. Like I said, as long as we don't lose this zone right here, the zone between 0.017 and also 0.015, Jasmy is good to go. There's no cause for alarm, and we can still easily get a bounce from there back to this zone, which is the zone between 0.038 and also 0.050 zone respectively for Jasmycoin. The moment we are flipping this zone right here into a clean support, then the moment we are flipping it into a clean support, expect the next price of Jasmy to be all the way to this zone right here, the zone at around 0.082113. And the moment, I think 0.082113 is not a significant resistance zone for Jasmy, if you ask me. It is a zone we can easily even shoot past, you understand? So 12 cent is also in the picture to keep an eye on. 12 cent is very valid. The moment this zone is getting flipped into a support, then 12 cent is the next price target for the price of Jasmycoin. Now, if you're looking at the crypto market right now, the crypto market is very, very boring. Now, the crypto market tends to be very boring post-halving. BTC halving just happened a couple of days ago. The best thing to do now, if you ask me, let's just look at the chart real quick so that it won't just be as if we are just blindly analyzing. Now, if you're paying attention to the BTC price chart on the weekly time frame, you will notice the correction into the halving and also after the halving has begun. Now, since BTC halving, we've been correcting massively to the downside for the past, let me check it out, for the past 4 weeks now. BTC has been in a steady downtrend. So the best thing to do now, if you are to ask me, is to sit on your hands and wait for the market to recover. And if you have some stable coins on ground, if you have some liquidity to deploy into the market, then this time could be the best time to dollar cost averaging into your potential cryptocurrency altcoin. Well, now, a time will come. The truth of the matter is, a time will come, regardless of what the price of Jasmy is doing now. A lot of people are angry now. They are not comfortable with the price action of Jasmycoin. It's not just Jasmycoin, with the overall crypto market entirely. Now, but for Jasmycoin, one thing is certain. A time will come when data becomes digital oil and BTC becomes digital gold. It will be wise to move your investment into the Bitcoin of Japan, which is Jasmycoin. Now, $50 billion market cap is very, very possible for Jasmycoin when that time comes. Even 100 billion can easily be doable, is easily possible by the time Jasmy utility becomes the digital oil of our time. Now, you have to pay attention, like seriously. Dollar cost averaging now, every dip is a buy opportunity. In times of market uncertainty, it is crucial to stay focused on the long-term potential of Jasmycoin. This could be this current price could be a prime opportunity to accumulate more Jasmycoin at a discounted price and also position oneself for potential future gains. Like seriously, my name is Isaac. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like this video if you haven't. Now, if you're looking at the BTC Fear and Greed Index, we are currently sitting at 67%. Yesterday was 70. That is, the market is getting a little bit more uncomfortable. You understand? We are getting more bearish. You understand? If you ask me. But fingers crossed, the best thing to do is to sit on your hands and wait for the market to recover if you don't have liquidity to buy the dips. But if you can buy the dips, then this is a massive opportunity for you to buy the dip before our massive rally kickstarts to all the way to 12 cents. 12 cents, we still have more price target. We have 18 cents, which is still likely in the picture for the price of Jasmycoin for now. Now, pay attention to the levels. This level Jasmy is currently trading, if you a wise investor, is a level you should dollar cost averaging into it. Please and please. Now, BTC dominant is still in a correction phase. For the past 2 weeks, it has been correcting, but we are currently at 54%. So we need to see the dominant bleed massively in order to welcome ourselves to alt season. Now, let's talk about this, BTC halving chart real quick. Now, as you can see, we're already getting the correction, right? That was exactly what happened in 2020 halving. Now, pay attention to the 2020 halving. We got a massive correction after the BTC halving of 2020. So same thing happened in 2016 halving as well. We got a massive correction after the BTC 2016 halving. So the current correction that is happening should not trigger you, should not scare you at all. There's no cause for alarm. The market is going to come back massively. Remember after the 2016 halving, BTC pumped over 2,700%. After the 2020 halving, BTC pumped over 580%. Now we are waiting for the price pump of BTC from here, which altcoins are surely going to follow. If BTC should pump 200%, 300% from here, is going to be massive for the overall cryptocurrency market. Now, if you are paying attention to the Jasmy liquidation heat map, you would notice we have more liquidity above here. We have more liquidity for Jasmy around 0.021 and also 0.0, the 0.021 zone. We have massive liquidity there, close to $1 million worth of liquidity for the price of Jasmycoin, if I'm not mistaken. And also the closest liquidity area we have here is 0.0195 for Jasmycoin. So if you're paying attention to the 1 week heat map report, you would notice we have more liquidity to the upside for the price of Jasmycoin down to the downside. Same thing with BTC liquidation heat map. Now this is the 1 week time frame for the BTC liquidation heat map. We have massive liquidity around $67K. And then if you're paying attention, there's no liquidation beneath it, you understand? So sooner or later we will trade back to the $67K. Remember I told you guys we are likely to consolidate if care is not taken for Jasmycoin within this range, within the range of 0.024 and also 0.017. So there's no cause for alarm at all, please. As always, once again, my name is Isaac. Peace out.